Yo, what's good, boys? Bitcoin is pumping, so I thought I'd get involved and backtest some Bitcoin. So yeah, originally I'm looking at this 4-hour equilibrium from here to here, as you can see. This 4-hour equilibrium. Then we also have this 1-hour fair value gap underneath equilibrium. So as you can see, price come in, and the only POI in here would have been that, but I think it literally just dumped through. Yeah, so you could have got probably a quick scalp on it. If we're looking at the right one. Drag that out. Jump on the 5. Let's have a look. Don't know where. Yeah, you wouldn't have got equilibrium. So yeah, this would have been irrelevant as the markets weren't ready to move yet. So this box obviously signifies 4-hour equilibrium. This box here signifies this hourly fair value gap, and we have got, I believe, is it 15 or is it 30? Yeah, is it? No, I think it's, no, it's 15, I think. Yeah, 15-minute order block right here. Price come down, swept this low, and then we broke structure to the upside. So we made that, and we was also looking at in this hourly gap for just breaks of structure, my double break. So as you can see, this is the order block. So now we're in the order block and we're looking break structure 1, break structure 2, but doesn't retrace into EQ, as you can see. So obviously we're still holding this order block, so we're just waiting. That doesn't break structure to me. Neither does that high. This high doesn't break to me. That one breaks, but then we don't get another break consecutively. We go back down first. So that's a break. That's a break. But this candle was not strong enough. It was like a hammer sort of thing. It was more of a doji. It wasn't as much as a doji, as it's had a direction. This would have been more of a doji. That's a doji, but it has to be a strong candle out, so you wouldn't have even taken that. As you can see, we then break structure back down, still in this 15-minute order block, and then as you can see, we break structure right here. That's number 1, and it's clean as well. We break structure number 2 here, so we've got this low when we broke this structure, and we're waiting for a high to be put in, which it does here. And as you can see, we've got this gap in equilibrium. Is it a 15-minute gap as well, or is it just a 5? yeah, 15-minute gap as well. And then as you can see, price comes in, has that same candle, so we wouldn't have entered yet. Have a really strong candle out, and we also broke structure to the upside out, and you would have entered there. And as it is Bitcoin and not Forex, you would have just covered this low, just because anything could happen in Bitcoin at the minute. And yeah, obviously we go for our 2R. So we've added our midway point. We go break even right there, and TP gets hit right there. So a bit more of a complex trade. But if you understood it, good. If you didn't, watch it back and see if you can understand. Cause it's the same as Forex. It just went on for a longer time period. Like we had an original 4-hour equilibrium, and then we used a 15-minute order block, which was holding throughout. Well, this 15-minute order block was holding. When did we break? Right there. So it's been holding since for 8 hours. This order block's been holding. So yeah, hopefully you understood it. Hopefully you learnt something, and I'll see you in the week in the life that'll get posted later today. I don't know what time, but I'm gonna render it all now. But yeah.